Hi guys, it's Jazz here. So on 4th of July, we live in Dutchess County, New York, and we had some very, very bad storms come through, and unfortunately it damaged a lot of my plants. Right here in particular, this one pepper plant was really, really hurt, and I am gonna do plant surgery right now and try to save it so that it doesn't die. So what I like to use in situations like this is this self-sticking bandage. Here, it sticks to itself when you close it. I've used it before with lots of success on broken stems. So what I would do in this situation is, unfortunately, tear off these leaves, the lower leaves, and the leaves from here. Now there is new growth where I just pulled those leaves off, so I'm going to leave that alone. If it continues to grow underneath the bandage, then that's wonderful. I'm also going to use my sticks here, these sticks for support, to support the plant. So for right now, just to hold it up, I'm going to put that stick in my green stalk there. I have my handy dandy scissors. Actually, these are not the ones I want. I want these. No, not those either. These. Yes, as a gardener, you walk around with lots and lots of scissors. But these are the ones that I need right now because this is not the easiest thing to cut through with dull scissors. So I'm going to cut off approximately a good 1, 2, 3 inches or so of this tape. And what I'm going to do is wrap it around the place where the plant has been torn off the stem. And because it has already a self-adhesive, I don't need any other kind of tape for it to hold it in place. Okay, and then we're going to say a lovely prayer for this plant. Dear universe, Lord of the plants, please make sure that this heals. And then I'm going to take another one of my handy dandy green sticks, put it on the side. I am going to maneuver this other one a bit closer, and then I'm going to take another piece of this tape and wrap it around the entire structure here that I've created to support the plant. And then we're going to give this a cut and pray for the best. I've done this many times. It has always worked. I've never not had it work for me. I've been lucky like that. I'm going to leave the leaves that were removed in there because they will self-compost, and I'm going to pray for the best that the plant will recover. Now, technically, yes, the plant would still keep growing if I cut it from there, because where the 2 nodes from the leaf were, it will create new branches. But I know how to do this. I'm sharing it with you, and if you want to give it a try, I would do it too. Happy gardening. Good luck.